kan hun menteri next ngi kala manjur banai jaka nagamanta ka Saint Xavier University hamau khanu abagran bekinong thok khobor hadin ka cabinet menteri rang ba ka jela ko rat sangmau lapon bana ba ka kan hun menteri kala manjur banai jaka ban seng ya ka school ba Saint Xavier University hamau khanu nagalyang menteri rang ba ka jela ko rat sangmau lapon tip ba bor bedai pet ya ka te ka Saint Xavier University lapha da ka jingtho sak sorkar jela But kila pentip bagi don kam ya kajaka ka basis pa akar ban sdang ya kini ki school ba nagaleng sorkar ni kesngi hadin kajinga taisan ni ba kala manjur ban ai sanpo akar sya kini ki school ba ha ka ba ka dor kan long silak tangka na ka benda si Hecter shu ul ongru ba lale ya kani namar ka Saint Xavier ka dei ka slam ai jingi kai ba piang ba bat ka dei ka jing penlut na ka benda ka jing mentoy jong ki kun samla ki banwan bat bandon kum kani ka jaga puli haka jela kalong ka jingdon kam shibun na ka benda kisamla.
For the establishment of St. Xavier's University in Shillong. As you're aware, a few years back we had passed the act to establish the St. Xavier's University. And during the process, of course, there were a lot of discussions and negotiations that took place. And finally, we received a letter from St. Xavier's authorities that they required 100 acres of land from the government to establish the St. Xavier's University. And after detailed discussion, we have decided as a cabinet that we will be able to give 50 acres to St. Xavier's in Maukunu at a rate of about 1 lakh rupees per hectare, which is at a very concessional rate. And of course, this is being done because St. Xavier's is a premier institute. And this is an investment that we're making in our youth and in our future generation. Because by having institutes like the St. Xavier's University coming in, which is a brand known all over the country and the world, we are very positive that it will have a very huge impact, especially on higher technical education and the different opportunities that it will have for our youth. And this goes in line with our commitment towards education and our vision to take the overall education sector to greater heights and also to provide better opportunities for our youth of our state and the region as a whole.